10 Tactics to Profit Acceleration. Policies and Procedures. Policies and procedures aren't exciting and are rarely the latest trend, but finding an impact in this area may simply be one of the easiest ways to optimize your profits very quickly without a major disruption to your current business. Let me ask you, are your marketing and sales processes documented so that sales are predictable? To what extent are all your systems, processes, policies, and procedures in place? Without policies and procedures, your business can never maximize on all the opportunities with which you're presented. Here's one idea that explains a good company policy. If this fits your company culture, it could be your policy that each person in your business must write a to-do list at the beginning of the month. Then they'll divide that into weekly action plans, which will end up as daily to-do lists. The policy or procedure of the supervisor is that they will inspect each monthly to-do list, each weekly action plan, and each daily to-do list. What do you think will happen to a worker's productivity if he or she knows that the boss is going to come every morning and inspect what they have planned for the day? How much greater would your focus be if you had someone holding you accountable for the way you spend your hours through the day? Normally, productivity will go up 20% overnight. And when productivity goes up, revenue and profits increase. Creating policies and procedures is hard work. It takes time to type out policies and monitor them so that everyone does what they're supposed to do. But this is the key to running a great company, and this is the key to great marketing. Most business owners know it's an issue. They're just waiting to be led by the hand. If you incorporate policies, procedures, and rewards or consequences for your staff to follow, and you follow through on them, what impact would that have on your business? Do you currently have established policies and procedures for a client call format? Do you have policies for follow-up, for post-sale reassurance, for relationship building, for enforcing your new upsell, cross-sell, and downsell strategies, for the way in which you attempt to reactivate former customers, for ensuring that your drip campaign is working, for cost cutting, for all your internet marketing initiatives so you know they're effective because you're monitoring the metrics and you're taking steps to improve? Do you see how a 5% increase in all your business operations could easily be achieved if you took the time to work on your policies and procedures? Look at the impact that a mere 5% could have on your business. As you can see from the examples we gave, there is typically no cost involved when implementing policies and procedures. It cements in long-term growth for your business and allows you to run it like a true professional. Here's to your success.